So hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. So where am I today, you may be asking? Well, I'm actually here in Colebrook, here in Telford, and right behind me is an old furnace. Can't actually get inside there today because they are doing maintenance work, but I'll show you through the window shortly. Then we're going to head off to a nature reserve not too far away from here and have a little walk along there, and there's some great history as well. So come along with me guys and let's check this out. So here we go, Coalport here at Telford. What you can see in front of you, in the pyramid, there is an old furnace which sits inside there, which they have preserved. But we can't go in there today because they are doing some maintenance around there. What you can see off into the distance is the old viaduct. And hopefully at some point that is going to be brought back into use with the heritage. Now Coalport was the art of the iron industry in the 1800th century. So much history around here. So the goods they're made, they used to ship them off down to the river and put onto the boats. And you do have the Iron Museum, which is here as well. So here we go guys, a closer look at the viaduct up there, which hopefully at some point will be restored by the heritage and brought back to use. As I say, they are doing some maintenance on it. Now I just had a word with one of the guys and scrap what I said. I am going to actually go inside and take a look at this furnace. They are going to allow me to go inside and film it and see all the maintenance going on, which is nice to see. Here's a little bit more information. The old furnace, the upper works. Brookdale offered all the resources, the early iron makers. So guys, what we actually are looking at is the remains of 3 boring and grinding mills dating from the 1750s that lay either side of the water wheel pit that still exists to your left. The wheel was last used in the 1920s to drive the grinding wheels like the one to the side. Let's go and have a look at this then. And this is where the water pump used to sit, I'm assuming. I can see the feed there. Yeah. So guys, I've had a little word with the workmen and they've allowed me to go inside. So let's check this out. The old furnace that sits here in Brookdale, Telford. The old furnace, birthplace of the industry. This blast furnace is one of the world's most important industrial monuments. So let's go and have a walk around. So next up guys, we're going to go up the charging ramp, and in the middle is the heart of the furnace. So let's go and check this out. I'll tell you what, it looks amazing. Actually looking at the heart of the furnace. There we go. Great how they've preserved all this. Some great history. It is free to come around here if you want to come and visit yourself, here in Colebrook, Telford. You have lots of information boards as you're going around the charging ramp. This is the mouth of the blast furnace. So I think guys, what we're looking at there is the old furnace, the snapper furnace, and what I can gather on the left is an interior view of the moulding shop in the 1880s, looking forward towards the snapper furnace. So I'm assuming that there was the old moulding shop that used to sit there, according to that. So guys, that was a little vlog of here, Coalport, Telford, the old furnaces. Absolutely fantastic how they've preserved it inside that pyramid. It is free to come around here, so if you are into your history, I highly recommend coming around and checking it out for yourself. And they have got a little iron museum. Now you do have to pay to get in there. I can't remember how much it is, but I have covered it on another vlog under our videos. But I hope you enjoyed that today guys, and I'll catch you later.